Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have EarFun Uboom L speaker and I'm going to show you where can you easily find user manual for this device. At first we have to open a web browser. Now we have to search for EarFun Uboom L manual. And now we have to scroll down to EarFun website. Now we have to click on it and wait a moment. Now we have to scroll down and to our device. As you can see, EarFun Uboom L. We have to click on it and download our file. Now as you can see, how to update firmware, audio sound effect, and our user manuals, media product tool, and the rest of your files. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.